Hello scholars, welcome back. In today's class, we are going to start with chapter 8 from our grammar textbook. So everybody get ready with your cornerstone. Open page number 36. Let's read the chapter name. Personal, personal pronouns. Okay, what is the chapter name? Personal pronouns. In grade 2, you have already learnt what a pronoun is. So here we will revise the same in this chapter and learn a bit more. Okay, firstly, let's read the paragraph which is given in page number 36. Okay, in blue color there is a question. Let's read what it is. Circle the words that are used in place of the nouns in this passage. So there are some words used in this passage which are in place of nouns, and you all know what a noun is. Names of person, place, animal, birds or things. In place of their names, the other words are used. Okay, we have to circle them. Ready? Let's start reading. Pradeep asked us where we were going. So here Pradeep asked us. Us means it is about some people whose names are not mentioned. Yes? So instead of naming word, us is used. So circle us. Next, where we were going. We is again about people here. Talking about somebody. Yes? So circle we. Let's continue. Meenu answered that she and I were going to Monika's party. So Pradeep asked us where we were going. Meenu answered. Meenu among those group, whoever is there, answer. Meenu from the group answered that she and I. She means Meenu herself. So instead of Meenu's name, she is used. Circle she. And I means the other one. Yes, circle I. Again, it is used in place of a naming word. We're going to Monika's party. Next, I want to go too, he said. I is who here? Pradeep. Yes, Pradeep asked them, and when Meenu answered, he said, I want to go too. So Pradeep's name is not used. What is used? I. Circle I. He said. Who said? Pradeep again. So circle he. Why don't you take me with you? Again Pradeep is telling Meenu that why don't you? Who is you here? Meenu. Take me. Pradeep is saying about himself. So again me, circle it. With you. Again with you means he is saying about Meenu and the other one. Okay. You don't like going to her house. Remember? So you is used again in place of Pradeep's name. To her house. About whose house they are talking here? Monika. Right? Instead of Monika's name, H-E-R. Her is used. Yes? They have a dog which scares you, said Meenu. Again, they is about Meenu and her family. Yes, instead of their names, T-H-E-Y, they is used. Okay, which scares you. You again, Pradeep. Said Meenu. It tried to bite me. Why wouldn't I be scared of it? So what is Pradeep saying? It tried to bite me. It is who here? Dog. Okay. Children, remember, whenever we speak about animals or things or places, we use it in place of their names. Okay. It tried to bite me. Why wouldn't I be afraid? Again, I. Circle it. Okay. We will tell Monika to keep the dog at her neighbor's. Then you can come with us, I said. So, okay, we will tell Monica to keep the dog at her. Her means again Monica's neighbors. Yes, at Monica's neighbor's place, they will ask her to keep the dog. So, here her is again Monica. Then you can come with us. You again is Pradeep. Come with us, Meenu and the other one. Yes, us, circle us. So children, out of the words that we have circled here, yes, these are the words used in place of nouns, isn't it? Instead of other names of people, persons, as I explained you, these words are used. So these words are called pronouns, okay? Now in the box, there is the definition. Let's read that. A pronoun is a word used in place of a noun. I, me, you, he, she, him, her, it, we, us, they and them are called personal pronouns. Got it? So these are the words called personal pronouns when you are using them in place of the naming words. All right. Now, as in when we do the exercises, you will understand. But so far, you need to remember that he is used for a boy or a male. Okay. She is used for a female, girl, woman. Okay. And then it is used for a thing, animal, bird or a place. Us is used when you are talking about yourself and other people. It is more than one. Yes. We again, when you talk about yourself and involving other one as well, more than you and somebody else. Okay, more than one person. You say we. They, when do you use they? They is used when you are talking about more than one person, but you are not among them. You are talking about other people. You say they are playing. Okay. And when you're talking about those people, you say them. You're talking about them. Alright. So as and when you practice these exercises, you will understand the usage of pronouns. Let's start with exercise A. Change the highlighted words in these sentences into pronouns. Let's read number 1. Okay, there are some highlighted words you can see which are in green color. You need to change into proper pronouns. Okay, Amita said that Amita had a headache. Now Amita is saying about herself. Yes, and Amita is who? A girl. Yes, so Amita said that she had a headache. Okay, instead of Amita, as she's a girl, so the pronoun you can use is she, she. Write it down. Number 2, Nathu went to his room. Nathu went to his room. Nathu went to sleep. Again, Nathu is repeated here. Instead of repeating, what pronoun you can use here? He's a boy, right? So you can use he went to sleep. He. Write it down. Next, Altaf told Ashraf that Altaf would help Ashraf. Children, read it again. Altaf told Ashraf that Altaf would help Ashraf. Now, Altaf is saying about himself that he will help Ashraf. Yes. So, what you can repeat here, instead of Altaf in green word, Altaf told Ashraf that he, okay, he is a boy, he would help Ashraf. Talking about Ashraf. So, what he can write? Him would help him. Him, him, used for a boy again. Okay. Number 4. The children were happy. Here it is about more than one. Okay. Remember. The children were happy. The children were going to the beach. Again, it is about the children. You are not in them. Okay. You are talking about a group of people, but not you. So, what do you use? They. Yes, they were going to the beach. Okay. Number 5. This apple tree is very big. The apple tree has very tasty fruit. Again, apple tree. Yes, we are talking about apple tree. So what do we use? It. Yes, write down it. It has very tasty fruit. Number 6. This cycle is Pooja's. Pooja bought the cycle last week. So here instead of Pooja, what you can use? She, the pronoun. She bought the cycle. The cycle is a thing. And what do we use for thing? It. So write down. You can write down in the blank she, comma, it, it. She bought the cycle. That means she bought it last week. I hope you're getting it. Do 7, 8, 9, 10 by yourself. And then the answers will be on the screen once we finish exercise B and C. Then you can cross check. Okay. Let's do section B. Circle the pronouns in these sentences. Underline the nouns for which they stand. One has been done for you. Okay. Now children, understand that in a sentence there can be more than one noun. Okay. And the pronoun that is used, you need to understand for which noun it is used. Alright. Let's do this exercise and understand that. Number 1. Did you water the plants this week? Sudipta. Somebody is asking a question to whom? Sudipta. So here instead of Sudipta, what is the pronoun used? You. Yes, circle the pronoun you. Underline the noun Sudipta. Okay? Good. Number 2. Look at that bird over there. It is called a hummingbird. Now look at that bird over there. Okay? It is called. Now what is the pronoun here? It. And it we are talking about whom? Bird here. Yes? So in the first sentence, bird is the noun. Underline it. And the pronoun used is it. Yes, circle it. Number 3. Pragati is very punctual. She is never late for class. So here about whom we are talking? Pragati. Pragati is the noun. Underline. And what is the pronoun used in place of her name in the next sentence? She. Yes, S-H-E. She is the pronoun. Circle it. Number 4. Abhi said that he was going for a walk in the woods. So here what is the pronoun? He. And who is he here? Abhi. Yes. So Abhi is the noun. Underline it. He is the pronoun. Okay. So circle it. Alright. Now do 5, 6, 7 yourself. And then later on you can check. Okay. Now section C. Fill in the blanks in these passages with suitable pronouns. Okay. So here these are the passages here. That means the words that are written in bold, that means those are the people who are speaking. So according to them you have to fill in the blanks. Okay. Let's do number 1. Now here Vinita is saying, Dash went to Kamla's house yesterday. So Vinita is saying this. Okay. So what it could be? What is the pronoun we can use? I. When you are saying something about yourself, what do you say? I. I went to Kamla's house yesterday. Dash wanted to help Dash bake a cake. So she is saying that I wanted to help whom to bake a cake? Kamla. So instead of writing Kamla, what we can write for Kamla? Her. H-E-R. Her. Okay. Her, wanted to help her bake a cake. Okay. Next. Bela. How was Dash? So Bela is asking here about the cake. So cake is a thing. What do we write? It. I-T. It. Now Vinita is laughing. What is she saying? Terrible. Dash was flat and hard. She is saying about the cake that it was flat and hard. So what you can write in the blank? Instead of cake, you can write it again. That's right. I-T. It. Now turn to page number 38. Abhishek is talking to a friend on the telephone. So it is Abhishek's conversation over the phone with a friend. So we have to fill in the pronouns as if Abhishek is using these pronouns. Okay. Yesterday the weather was very bad. Dash was very hot. So here he's talking about the weather. Again, we don't know whether it's male, female, isn't it? What do we use for it? It. Yes, write down. It was very hot. Dash went to school. Abhishek is saying about himself. Abhishek is a boy and he is talking about himself. Yes. So he doesn't say he went to school. What he will say? I went to school. I. Write down I. Again next. Dash had a unit test. Again he is saying about himself. I had a unit test. Next. Geeta could not finish dash. So he is saying Geeta could not finish the exam. So again for exam what you can say? It. Geeta could not finish it. Dash almost fainted. Because dash was so hot. Now here Geeta is saying about, he is saying about Geeta that she could not finish the exam. Why? She almost fainted. Write down she almost fainted because what was hot? Weather again. So what do we write? It. It was so hot. Next line. The teacher gave all of dash cold lime juice. All of. So all means together. Abhishek is there in that group. Again, the teacher gave all of us. Okay, when he's talking about a group of classmates, you need to say us. The teacher gave all of us cold lime juice. Okay. Now, in the same way, I want you to do paragraph 3 by yourself. Okay. So, we are done with the chapter here, scholars, and we learned that I, me, you, he, she, him, her, it, we, us, they and them. All these are called personal pronouns. You have to use it in your daily speaking. When you speak to others, you have to remember and use this so that you get a practice and understand when and where to use them. Alright. So there is a worksheet related to this chapter in the description box below. Click on the link, open the worksheet, do it. Okay. I will see you in the next class. Till then, be safe at home and take care.